Hello and welcome to the Finance Hub. Today we're talking about using debt to get rich. Now, this may seem counterintuitive to some of you. After all, isn't debt supposed to be a bad thing? Well, according to financial expert Robert Kiyosaki, it all depends on how you use it. Kiyosaki, author of the best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, argues that good debt can be a powerful tool in building wealth. Good debt is debt that is used to invest in assets that will generate income or appreciate in value over time. For example, let's say you take out a mortgage to buy a rental property. This property generates rental income each month, which can be used to pay off the mortgage. And if the value of the property increases, you can sell it for a profit. On the other hand, bad debt is debt that is used to purchase items that depreciate in value, such as cars or designer clothing. This type of debt does not generate income and can be a drain on your finances. So how do you use debt to get rich? First, it's important to understand the difference between good and bad debt. Then, focus on building a strong credit score so you can qualify for low-interest loans. And finally, invest in assets that will generate income or appreciate in value over time. But be careful, using debt to get rich requires discipline and a long-term perspective. It's important to have a solid financial plan in place and to be able to pay off your debts in a timely manner. So there you have it, using debt to get rich can be a powerful tool when used correctly. Just be sure to do your research, plan ahead, and only take on good debt that will help you build wealth over the long term. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Finance Hub for more financial tips and advice.